Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 759, and today's topic is the medicinal importance of indole alkaloids. Indole alkaloids are very important from pharmaceutical and medicinal point of view, and it contains the alkaloids from Rauwolfia serpentina and ergot alkaloid, and there are some others. So the most important one is that is the root of this Rauwolfia serpentina, and this Rauwolfia serpentina is cultivated mainly in tropical country like India, Pakistan, Malaysia, Thailand, and today globally on commercial basis India and Thailand, Malaysia, they are supplying Rauwolfia roots for the production of these indole alkaloids. Actually, indole alkaloids means where the benzene ring, aromatic ring, is condensed with 5-member ring pyrrole, and this benzopyrrole nucleus is called indole, and once the isomeric form is called isoindole, which is given here. That is, this is your indole. So this is your aromatic ring, and with 5-member ring with NH, and this is called indole. The molecular formula is C8H7N, and the same thing is here, but only thing is it is isomeric form. So that's why it is called isoindole. That is C8H7N, and these indoles, they are the main nucleus in those alkaloids, and the most important alkaloid, that is called reserpine, azmalidine, and it has lot of historical background for all these alkaloids. Actually, Rauwolfia plant was used by Indians for many years, for hundreds of years, and they were using it for toxicity, especially if there is a snake bite or any other poisonous effect on human being, they were treating it. And later on they found that it has lot of medicinal properties, so they started using it for mental disorder, to control the anxiety, and to control blood pressure, even to reduce. That is, it is a very effective drug, that is reserpine alkaloid, to control the drug, to bring down the blood pressure. And also it has impact on central nervous system, and also the most important impact is on your brain neurochemicals. Reserpine can reduce the production of neurochemical like serotonin. So in this way it will help to control the anxiety, control excitement, nervousness, and also it is sedative. So these alkaloids, these indole alkaloids, they are very, very powerful from mental disorder point of view, and from from this that is Rauwolfia serpentina. Actually, Rauwolfia, the word came from Raulf. Raulf was the German. He identified the plant, that this particular plant is very important and it is having lot of biologically active alkaloids, and that's why the name is given by his name, that is Raulf, that is Rauwolfia. And then in 1930s in Delhi, very renowned physician and of course scholar was there. His name was Ajmal Khan. So Ajmal Khan, even he established his Tibbiya College, Indian system of medicine, that is called Ajmal Khan Tibbiya College, and in that is 1934 they were successful to isolate some 4 alkaloids, and those alkaloids were given in the name of Ajmal Khan, that is called Ajmalin. So structures are given here. This is your reserpine. The reserpine is having molecular formula C35H40O9N2, and N2 is one N is here, one N is here, and this is indole structure, plus it is having terpene nucleus here, because terpene type of structure is there, and this reserpine is the most powerful medicine or drug, we can say, especially for to control the anxiety. Also it is antidepressant, it is sedative, and also it gives some hallucinating effect also, and also it can relieve the pain. It is painkiller also. Lot of medicinal importance is there, that is called reserpine. And then the other one where there is no methoxy group here, only difference in that reserpine and desirpidine means where the methoxy groups CH3O is methoxy group, and here in desirpidine methoxy group is not there. That's why the potency of this drug is less than reserpine, because of absence of methoxy group, and its formula is C34H38 H8 and N2. So there the number of carbon, you see here it is 38 and here it is 40, there it is 34 and 35. So because of the presence of a methoxy group. And then the other one is that is Ajmalin. Actually Ajmalin name is given in the name of Ajmal Khan. So Ajmal Khan was the scientist, physician in 1934 in collaboration with gentleman Siddiqui, and they worked together and they isolated 4 alkaloids biologically active, and they are like this. One is called Ajmalin with molecular formula C20H26N2O2. It is this structure is given here. The second one is called Ajmalicin. Ajmalicin is having molecular formula C20H24N2O3, and the other one alkaloid which is isolated is called resinamine. This resinamine is having molecular formula. This is the structure of resinamine. These are all alkaloids which are isolated from Rauwolfia serpentina root, and the formula of resinamine is C37H42O9N2. And actually in the beginning the people who were using, they were having impression that the whole extract or the powder of Rauwolfia root rhizome was effective. But later on, when in 1952 one German scientist, phytochemist, when he established the structure of reserpine, and then after pharmacology it was clear that 90% effect of Rauwolfia serpentina root powder is only because of the presence of reserpine. Reserpine is the most important among all alkaloids which are present in Rauwolfia serpentina plant. So the medicinal importance of indole alkaloids, and here I have taken Rauwolfia serpentina as one of the plant source. Mainly it is reserpine. So the botanical name is Apocynaceae. Number 1, indole alkaloids structures can be built by fusion of pyrrole ring and aromatic benzene ring. When these two rings are fused, that benzopyrrole ring is called indole, and it is found in isomeric form. indole and isoindole. Number 2, the indole structure is found in both plants and animals. Some of the plants contain indole alkaloids, and they are: number 1, Rauwolfia; number 2, ergot; number 3, next, vomica; and number 4, catharanthus. So actually these are the 4 main plants from which we are getting very important indole alkaloids. So first I will be discussing the alkaloid that is isolated from Rauwolfia, and Rauwolfia contains azmaline, azmalinidine, and reserpine, and I have given all those structures. So out of all those alkaloids which are isolated from Rauwolfia serpentina plant, the most important one from medicinal point of view is reserpine. And number 3, Rauwolfia consists of dried roots and rhizome. Actually from the root and rhizome we are getting these alkaloids, and that should be 3 to 4 year old, because once it is not enough mature, the percentage of alkaloid will not be there. So that's why once you are targeting or aiming to extract the reserpine alkaloid or alkaloidal content from Rauwolfia serpentina plant, you take the plant which is at least 3 to 4 year old, and it is collected in the month of October, and it contains 0.15% reserpine group of alkaloids, and the plant is a small shrub of 1 meter in height and occur mainly in India, Pakistan, Burma, Java and Thailand. It is mainly found in tropical forest. On commercial basis we can obtain this Rauwolfia serpentina drug either from India or from Thailand. Rauwolfia was used in India since very early period with good results as an antidote against snake bite and against serious poisoning. So here the number 4 is the name Rauwolfia is given in the honor of one German scientist, or we can say botanist, and also he was physician, because at that time most of the people were multidisciplinary. They were working as a taxonomist, as a botanist, as a zoologist, as a physician. So actually he was a scholar in phytochemistry, and he was expert in medicinal plants, and he identified this plant that it is very rich in bioactive ingredients, and that was alkaloid, and that's why the name of the plant was given in his honor. That's why it is called Rauwolfia. That is, and the scientist's name was Dr. Rauwolf, a German botanist or scientist. And the drug was used to reduce hypotensive condition. Actually, in the beginning, the local people, they were using for multi-purpose, but very specifically, this scientist, Dr. Rauwolf, introduced this drug to treat high blood pressure. That was for hypotensive purpose. In India and abroad, in 1952, the Ciba company in Switzerland isolated the alkaloid and known as reserpine. So reserpine was isolated by Ciba company in Switzerland, and that was in the year 1952, and it was a very big revolution in phytochemistry. Means that reserpine was very powerful hypotensive as well as very good sedative, and also very good to control the anxiety and lot of mental disorder. And so reserpine became very popular after 1952, which possesses both hypotensive and tranquilizing properties. Later on, other alkaloids were isolated, and these are resinamine, which is possessing both properties, was also isolated. Number 5, in the year 1931, the great physician Hakim Abdul Hamid Khan, India. Actually, in India, you know, in 1931, India was British colony, and we had the Indian system of two medicine. One was called Unani, other one was called Ayurvedic. So we were considering these two were our indigenous Indian system. When British came, they tried to introduce allopathic, that is English system, and in our Indian language they were calling them Angrezi Dawa. So it was either Angrezi Dawa, means allopathic English system, or our Indian system means Unani and Ayurvedic. Unani people, they were known as Hakim, and the Ayurvedic people were known as Vaid. And let me tell you very good information that in 1921 and 1919, it started from 1919, that was Spanish flu, and at that time Ajmal Khan was very powerful physician in Delhi, and at that time Ayurveda was also doing very well. So there was even some confusion and riot, because there was news that Ajmal Khan is giving such type of root powder which is curing Spanish flu, and he is not giving that powder form to other population. So it is reported, if you go to Google and type Ajmal Khan in 19 to 31, right, it is given. And they were saying that he is selective. He is not using because many people were cured. But it was all rumor, and wrong information was spread. And later on, it was a big riot on the issue of this drug given by Ajmal Khan. He was well-known scientist, well-known physician. We can say his very active era was from 1918 or 20 to 1931. Within that period, he isolated teamwork, himself and one Mr. Siddiqui. So they worked together and they isolated 4 active principles from Rolfia. And these active principles, those alkaloids, were given in his name, and that is called Ajmalin, Ajmalidin. So that is the history of these alkaloids. So in the year 1931, the great physician Hakim Ajmal Khan, India, working with Siddiqui, isolated alkaloids, and these alkaloids are Ajmalin, Ajmalinin, and Ajmalicin, and this serpentine and serpentinine. So these were isolated, and I have given all these structures. Some other ones I will give you in the next lecture. And these alkaloids in the year 1935 surprised the scientists. It was a big news globally after the isolation of Ajmalin, Ajmalicin and Ajmalidine. And they were all hypotensive, they were all sedative, and they were very good for our anxiety control and depression, dementia, for multi-purpose. And it was in 1935 surprised the scientists as they showed the same therapeutic action for which Rolfia plant had been used for folkloric remedies in Indian subcontinent. When I am saying Indian subcontinent, means it includes Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, all countries. They were surprised, was a big news. And since then, Reserpine, Ajmalin alkaloids are introduced in modern medicine in all pharmacopoeia, whether it is British pharmacopoeia, American pharmacopoeia or Indian pharmacopoeia. Reserpine and Ajmalin is introduced as one of the best drugs to control your anxiety, as a sedative, as a hypotensive drug. So with this I will stop, but in my next lecture again I am going to start part 2 on Rolfia serpentina, that is Reserpine. So Reserpine alkaloid, indole alkaloid, I will be discussing more in detail, and these lectures are especially for pharmacy, pharmacognosy and biochemistry as well as chemistry students. So please listen this lecture and my write-up is there. Note down and prepare the note for your knowledge purpose. And please don't forget to subscribe and share it, because once knowledge is shared amongst thousands of the people, I will be more satisfied that at least what effort I am putting, the thousands are benefiting. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.